more than 900 students from around the state all competed in the Arizona Science and Engineering Fair. And this morning we have some of the winners right here in the studio with us. I'm here with the organizer for the Science Fair. I'm here with Tara. Thank you so much for being here with us.
Thank you for having us.
So yeah, kind of walk me through exactly, I know we're going to talk to the winners here in just a second, but about the Science Fair.
Yeah, so Arizona Science Center is the host organization for the Arizona Science and Engineering Fair, and we had over 900 students representing over 700 projects from all over the state competing. And these students did everything from animal science to plant science to computer sciences.
Wow.
And they all had to win first place at their school fair to be able to qualify to compete at the state level.
Okay.
So we have Nikhil and we have Maya, who is going to be one of our junior observers going to the international fair. And Nikhil's going to be competing at the international fair against 1,800 other students from 75 different locations.
Yeah. Wow, you guys are way smarter than I could ever be. So let's start with you. Tell me about, this is your presentation right here, so tell me a little bit about it. So what did you do?
So I'm a synchronized swimmer, and when we go to competitions, we put gelatin into our hair.
Oh, okay.
And so, yeah, I have it on my head.
That's why she has, okay, I love it. Okay.
Yeah.
And so why do you do that? Put gelatin in your hair.
We put gelatin into our hair because, like, if you can see on my poster, the water doesn't dissolve the gelatin. So it's good for the pool.
Okay. Okay, and does it protect your hair at all, too?
No, it just keeps our hair from getting in our face.
Okay, okay, very cool. I love it. And tell me about yours as well.
Absolutely. So I studied Alzheimer's disease and the molecular and cellular mechanisms which underlie the disease. So we used a mouse model, which is widely used throughout the field of Alzheimer's disease research, to kind of understand what is going on, how the pathogenesis occurs in Alzheimer's disease, and also to identify novel therapeutic targets for the disease.
Well, how did you develop all of that? I mean, you just said a lot of big words there.
Absolutely, no.
You guys are much smarter.
No, I had been interested in neuroscience ever since I was a kid. And so as I got older in middle school, I volunteered at a senior living center, and one of the residents had Alzheimer's disease and dementia. And from that experience, I kind of got curious. I studied just reading online for about 2 years alone, and then through this amazing collaborative environment of Alzheimer's disease research, which exists in Arizona, I've been able to find a mentor who's been amazing for the last 2.5 years at Arizona State University and continue my research and scientific discovery through that.
That is just incredible. And so why did you love to be a part of the Science Fair and do this? What's your favorite thing about it? Competing in it?
Well, yeah, I like competing in it, and then I also like walking around to other people's posters and
learning?
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. And what about you?
I think quite similar. I really enjoyed going and seeing what all these amazing high school students were creating, and also just seeing the amount of youth involvement in science is really, really exciting to me for the future of science.
Oh, most definitely. Well, I think amazing things are going to come from you two. I'm just happy you guys are around. Seriously, thank you so much for joining us this morning. No, hey, how great are these kids here?
I mean, the future is looking bright from here. What amazing young minds. Great to see it at work, and congratulations to them for being a part of that. We are getting a bright